Our facilities at UNI need to be the best. We've got to have good facilities for our student athletes, our students. Make it exciting, make it fun.
Hi, my name's Mary Lynn Baumler, and this is my husband, Brad. He's a graduate of the University of Northern Iowa in 1992.
My first time there was when I was a junior in high school, and we had the opportunity to play a playoff game there. As a kid, that's something you always look forward to, is making it to the Dome, and it turned out to be a fun game and really enjoyable. But what an amazing facility.
It's such a great, overwhelming feeling when it's like just so loud in the Dome and everybody's like really into it, and the players can look up in the stands and see all their family and friends cheering them on.
The UNI-Dome is symbolic of the university in itself. I mean, when you sit and think about UNI, you think of that dome. It just comes, first and foremost. I've had the opportunity to travel around the country and see some of the best facilities that are in Division I. And like it or not, it's about economics. And our facilities at UNI need to be the best. It's different than when I went to college and we were just hoping to get a scholarship. Kids have options. They can go to any, they have a ton of choices to go to any school they want. It starts out with a major campaign like this to help set the stage for the future. What excites me, for the next generation is the fact that they're going to be able to play in a first-class facility once it's done. It's already good. It's just going to make it that much better. We need to get this project done and moving. It's time.